Hello, welcome to Tipedia World. This is lesson 6 of reading and speaking Tagalog language. This time we're going to discuss about the sounds for the letter E and for the letter R. A while ago, we discussed about the vowels B, K, D, F, G, H, L, M, N, and NG sounds. So let's this video with the letter P. It sounds like so let's start with the vowels A. We have pa, 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 as in parrot, papaya, pa, pa, pa. Next, we have pe, pe, as in penguin, penguin, peso, peso, pe. Next, p, 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 as in pillow, pillow, pine, pine, p, p, p. Next, we have po, 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 as in polar, polar, pole, po, po. Next, we have pu, 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 as in put away, push, 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 pu, pu. So again, we have pa, pe, pi, po, and pu. So let's practice. Pe, pu, pa, pa, pi, po, pe, pi, pa, pu, po, pi. So we have for the letter P sounds like pa, pa. So pa, pe, pi, po, and pu. So here are some of the example of Tagalog word with using letter P sound. We have papa, papa, father, pamana, pamana, heritage, mapa, mapa, copa, copa, cup, pila, pila, line, piga, piga, ring, piging, piging, feast, piko, piko, Filipino game, pula, pula, red, pulo, pulo, island, pugad, pugad, nest, puno, puno, tree. So let's proceed now to the letter R. It sounds like uh, uh, uh. So let's start with ra, 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 as in rat, run, ra, ra, ra. Next we have re, 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 as in red, report, re, re, re. Next, re, 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 as in ring, ring, risk, risk, re, re, re. Next, raw, 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 as in rose, robot, raw, raw, raw. Next, ru, 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 as in ruby, ruler, ruby, ruler, ru, ru, ru. So we have ra, re, pi, ro, and ru. So let's practice. Ra, ru, ro, ra, re, ru, ro, ri, ra, ro. So again, we have for the letter R sounds as r, ra, re, ro, and ru. So here are some word Tagalog using with letter R sounds. Pera, pera, money. Para, para, for. Mura, mura, cheap. Harang, harang, barrier. Bara, bara, obstruction. Relo, relo, watch. So we have regalo, regalo, gift. Biro, biro, joke. Barong, barong, male national outfit here in Philippines. Puro, puro, pure. Laro, laro, play. Guro, guro, teacher. So thank you for listening at Wikipedia World. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Paalam.